Imagine a miniature pond gracing your living room. Picture vibrant water lilies and delicate lotus flowers, their petals unfurling towards the light. This is the magic of an indoor water garden, a tranquil escape that brings the serenity of nature right into your home. Indoor water gardens are more than just pretty features. They act as natural humidifiers, adding moisture to the air and combating the dryness often found in centrally heated homes. The gentle sound of trickling water creates a calming ambience, melting away stress and promoting relaxation. And unlike traditional gardens, indoor water gardens require minimal maintenance. Once set up, they require only a little care to thrive, making them perfect for busy individuals and gardening enthusiasts of all skill levels. So, why not invite the tranquility of water and the beauty of aquatic plants into your home? Just like any plant, your aquatic companions need the right environment to flourish. Fortunately, creating the perfect indoor oasis is simpler than you might think. Let's break it down. Firstly, light is crucial for photosynthesis. Place your water garden near a bright window where it can soak up at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight each day. If natural light is scarce, fret not. Supplement with artificial grow lights to keep your plants happy and healthy. Next, let's talk about water. Use rainwater or distilled water if possible, as tap water often contains chlorine and minerals that can harm delicate aquatic plants. If tap water is your only option, let it sit in an open container for 24 hours to allow the chlorine to evaporate. Finally, the container. Opt for a wide, shallow container rather than a tall, narrow one. This allows for better oxygen circulation and gives your plants ample space to spread their leaves and bask in the light. Now for the stars of the show, the plants. Water lilies and lotus are popular choices for indoor water gardens, prized for their stunning blooms and elegant foliage. But with so many varieties to choose from, how do you pick the right ones for your oasis? Water lilies, with their flat, round leaves that float on the water's surface, come in a breathtaking array of colors, from pristine white to vibrant pink, yellow, and even purple. Choose dwarf varieties for smaller containers and larger ones for more spacious setups. Lotus, known for their exquisite flowers that rise above the water on sturdy stalks, exude an aura of elegance and serenity. They prefer warmer temperatures and plenty of sunlight, so ensure your chosen spot can meet their needs. When selecting your plants, consider the size of your container and the amount of light available. Remember, a crowded garden is a stressed garden, so choose wisely and give your plants room to breathe and grow. Section 4. Planting your water garden. A step-by-step guide. Creating your indoor water garden is a rewarding experience. Follow these simple steps and you'll have a thriving aquatic haven in no time. First, prepare your container. Clean it thoroughly with warm soapy water and rinse it well. If using a porous container like terracotta, seal the inside with a waterproof sealant to prevent leaks. Next, add a layer of aquatic planting medium to the bottom of the container. This special soil is heavier than regular potting mix, helping to anchor the plants and prevent cloudiness in the water. Now carefully remove your water lily or lotus from its nursery pot. Gently loosen the roots and position the plant in the center of the container, ensuring the crown, where the roots meet the leaves, sits slightly above the soil line. Fill the container with water, leaving a few inches of space at the top to prevent overflowing. Add a dechlorinator or water conditioner to neutralize any harmful chemicals present in tap water. Section 5. Maintaining your oasis. Tips for crystal clear water and thriving plants. Congratulations, your indoor water garden is complete. Now, let's keep it that way. With a little TLC, your aquatic oasis will thrive for years to come. Firstly, water quality is paramount. Regularly top off the water level to compensate for evaporation. Every 2 weeks, remove about a third of the water and replace it with fresh, dechlorinated water. Secondly, fertilize your plants regularly during the growing season, spring and summer. Use aquatic plant fertilizer tablets or capsules, following the package instructions for the correct dosage. Finally, keep an eye out for any signs of pests or diseases. Remove any dead or decaying leaves promptly to prevent the spread of disease. If you notice any unusual spots, discoloration, or insects, consult a gardening expert for advice on treatment. By following these simple tips, your indoor water garden will continue to enchant you with its beauty and serenity, transforming your home into a haven of peace and tranquility.